Before we proceed, note that the three tabs above, labeled Financial Statements, Financial Statistics, and Comparative Analysis, are interconnected. It's essential to first grasp the financial statements before moving on to the statistics page and then to comparative analysis. This approach will enhance your understanding of the concepts. We now move on the Financial Statements page, dedicated to Apple. This page is a treasure trove for investors, both seasoned and beginners, aiming to demystify the complex world of financial analysis. Today, we're focusing on understanding the core of financial health and decision-making: the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. Let's delve into the numbers and narratives that drive informed investment decisions. Our journey begins with the balance sheet, a critical snapshot capturing AAPL's financial condition at a precise moment. This statement is a balance of what Apple owns, its assets, against what it owes, its liabilities. The difference? Shareholders' equity, a key indicator of company value. At the top, notice the flexibility at your fingertips. Select between annual or quarterly periods and customize how many columns you wish to view simultaneously. Navigating through the balance sheet, you'll find an invaluable tooltip icons beside each metric. A simple click unveils a wealth of knowledge, definitions, applications, and the relevance of each metric. It's an essential guide for those new to financial statements, ensuring you grasp the significance of each figure in turn. Diving into the assets, we categorize them into current and non-current, providing insights into AAPL's liquidity and long-term investments. Similarly, liabilities are split into current and non-current, revealing both immediate obligations and those due in the future. This structured approach helps investors assess AAPL's financial stability and risk profile. The shareholders' equity section, nestled between assets and liabilities, represents the residual interest in AAPL's assets after deducting liabilities. It's a critical measure of the company's net worth. At the bottom of the balance sheet, we also spotlight total investments, total debt, and net debt, offering a comprehensive view of AAPL's financial commitments and investment strategies. The balance sheet is more than a statement, it's a story of AAPL's financial strength and strategic positioning. With our interactive tools and detailed tooltips, Amassing Investment empowers you to unlock the secrets behind the numbers, fostering a deeper understanding of AAPL's financial landscape. Whether you're evaluating investment opportunities or simply looking to enhance your financial literacy, this page is an invaluable resource in your investment journey. Stay tuned as we next explore the income statement and cash flow statement, further unraveling AAPL's financial narrative. Next in our exploration of Apple's financial landscape is the income statement page, often likened to a company's report card. This pivotal document outlines Apple's financial performance over a specific period, detailing the journey from revenue to net income. It's here that the story of Apple's profitability unfolds, offering insights into the effectiveness of its operations and strategies. Understanding the income statement is crucial for gauging a company's health and future prospects. To simplify this, we've divided the statement into key sections: operating performance, operating expenses, operating performance and efficiency, financial income and expenses, income and tax analysis, and finally, earnings per share and share capital. Each segment plays a role in painting a comprehensive picture of Apple's financial achievements and challenges. Starting with operating performance, we see how Apple generates its revenue, laying the foundation of its financial health. Following this, operating expenses reveal the costs incurred in running the day-to-day operations, a critical factor in understanding profitability. Efficiency is next, with operating performance and efficiency metrics offering insights into how effectively Apple utilizes its resources. Financial income and expenses then provide a view into the company's financial operations beyond its core business activities. Income and tax analysis sheds light on Apple's tax obligations and its impact on net income, while earnings per share and share capital reveal the earnings available to shareholders, a direct indicator of the company's financial strength and investor appeal. This detailed breakdown of the income statement not only educates investors about Apple's financial performance but also empowers them to make informed decisions. As we conclude our journey through Apple's financial statements, we arrive at a critical component that offers a dynamic view of the company's financial health: the cash flow statement. Unlike the income statement and balance sheet, the cash flow statement unveils the actual inflows and outflows of cash, providing a clear picture of how Apple's operations, investments, and financing activities collectively shape its cash position. The essence of understanding a company's liquidity and its ability to sustain operations, pursue opportunities, and return value to shareholders lies within its cash flow statement. It's divided into three main sections: operating, investing, and financing activities, each telling a part of the story of Apple's financial maneuvering over the period. First, the operating activities section reveals the cash generated from Apple's core business operations. It's a direct reflection of the company's operational health and its ability to generate cash from its main business without relying on external financing. Next, investing activities provide insights into Apple's future growth, showing cash spent on investments in technology, acquisitions, and other assets. This section helps investors gauge Apple's strategy towards expansion and innovation. Finally, the financing activities section details how Apple manages its capital structure, including borrowing, repaying debts, issuing stock, and paying dividends. It illustrates the company's approach to financing its operations and returning value to shareholders. The cash flow statement is not just a financial document, it's a narrative of Apple's financial strategy and operational effectiveness. By dissecting this statement, investors gain insights into Apple's ability to generate cash, invest in growth, and finance its activities, all of which are pivotal for making informed investment decisions. And that's a wrap on our financial statements deep dive. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to making smarter, more informed investment decisions. Dive into those reports, crunch those numbers, and remember, the best investment you can make is in your financial education.